note I want to point out to you is that up at the top where it has your name and your role and your login information, you will see that your PIN number is listed here. The PIN number is also listed in your settings area. Now, the PIN number is your PIN to access the document share portal. And if you go back to your dashboard, you see this is, there's a button here for upload documents. If you click that button to upload documents, that will take you to the document share portal. And this is where you log in with your username, which is the same username that you use in MAAPP. And your password is that PIN number that is listed in your MAAPP dashboard. And this is where you will log in to upload your high school grade files. Now, we are not going to talk about the creation of a high school grade file here, but most of you are familiar with creating the high school grade file. And this is where you upload your high school grade file. So you can access everything you need to do from your MAAPP dashboard. Now, every now and then, we will post, we being the Office of Student Financial Aid, will post notes for counselors, messages for counselors. And we will do that on the homepage of your dashboard. And so those messages will appear typically in bright red lettering right here in this area of your dashboard. So if we have any urgent messages to share with counselors, this is where that information will go. Okay, I'm going to log out, and I hope that this has been helpful. As always, you are invited to contact the Mississippi Office of Student Financial Aid at sfa@mississippi.edu, or you may call the Mississippi Financial Aid office, or you may visit our website for more information. We look forward to hearing from you, and we are always happy to help you help our students. Thank you.